Hello, I'm Mark from Trailbuddy. Today, something exciting. We've got a new frame kit we're offering in our product catalog. So what you get here is pretty extensive. So what we're trying to compete against is other different clones out there that you have to buy all the parts and pieces that you really want. Here you can start out from scratch and you get everything. You don't have to double buy. So what you get in this particular kit is you get the painted frame with the swing arm, color match headlight bucket. You also get the massive 5.5 liter frame or gas tank here. And let's compare this against the original Honda tank. So we've got our new frames gas tank and we've got our stock CT70. So you can pretty much see the difference here in terms of capacity. So it's significant. So if you've ever done the walk of shame, like I have, where you're out trail riding and you're having a great day, you're out there with your 140 plus cc engine and you're sucking some petrol or gas and you run out and you got to push your bike back. This frame here is the answer to that. So what you also get too is that we've got a lot of little miscellaneous parts and pieces. We've got a seat here that matches with the different dimensions of the wider frame. So where they're doing this too here is the frame from the side view is exactly the same. But if you look down the center line of it, it's quite a bit fatter. So what they're doing is they're hiding that under the seat. So the seat here is unique to the frame just because of the width. And then we've also got a different battery bracket here, which fits in for the width. But those where the unique parts and pieces end, and then everything else is pretty much the same. It all comes with the different gas tank isolators. So we've got the little pads here for the bottom. Those slip on, pretty similar to original. We've got the little neck part here that goes up inside the neck of the tank, or on the tank, but into the frame. Gas cap. We've got our CDI voltage regulator brackets. And it also comes with the upper and lower bolt for your engine. So this bolt pattern, same as a regular Trail 70, so it fits all the aftermarket engines. And this frame is also a tad thicker than the original. It's got different weld gussets in here that help give it a little bit more rigidity, and it fits with all the parts and pieces that we have on our website. So this is an awesome platform for an original build. If you don't want to have to buy a clone bike and start from scratch again and get the motor that you want, get the rims and tires that you want, you can get it first off here from our website. So this is a great alternative to buying a clone bike and rebuying parts and pieces. So check it out. We've got two different colors available as of to date. So we've got our red metallic here, and we've also got a blue. So there's the two colors that we'll be offering on our website, and it's a great platform for building your own Trail 70 or Tribute or clone bike without having to pay the big money for an original Trail 70 frame and also getting the extra fuel capacity for those bigger engines. Now, like I said before, with a walk of shame, I've been out trail riding and I've been with my 125cc engine. I've been having a great day, and it takes a little bit more fuel than the original Trail 70, and it's kind of hard to monitor, but this frame here comes with the extra capacity. Again, it's also quite a bit thicker. Everything's new. You don't have to worry about ruts, pitting. Great platform to build your bike. So check this out on mytrailbuddy.com.